Hello, I'm Sebastian Flores, and this is my evidence too. So we're going to start with the starting position of the simulator. This is without any inputs. Then we have the ideal state when the three inputs are in the best or most ideal position. Then we have the one variable, when one variable of them is not in the ideal position, we have two in the ideal position. Then we have the unhealthy microbiota. This is when we have two variables in an unhealthy position and one in an healthy position. And finally, we have the harmful microbiota. This is when three variables are in an unhealthy position. So what changes could we observe? So when we have the correct habits, we can see the state of the microbiota is ideal. The simulation shows a light skin color intestine with an abundance of healthy microbiota. Then as we move on with the unhealthy variables, we can see how the color of the intestine darkens and a few pathogenic microorganisms appear. And finally, when we have the harmful microbiota, we can see how there's an abundance of pathogenic microorganisms, and we can observe a reduction of microbiota. We can also observe the inflammation in the intestinal walls. What factors and how did I choose these factors? Well, some of the factors that were chosen were according to my lifestyle and also how I live day to day. I wanted to use this opportunity working with the simulator to get an insight in how my lifestyle affects the positive, in both positive and negative, my health. And also wanted to just play around and combine certain variables to see which of them could have a bigger influence in the health, and also what could happen to my lifestyle if any changes, in my health, if any changes in my lifestyle appear in the future. And some of the improvement proposals, not only for healthy microbiota, just health in general, we have dieting and consuming specific nutrients and dietary patterns. There's a lot of specific nutrients or even medicines that help improve our health of our microbiota, but there's also some of them that are very, very harmful. We can see some dietary patterns, for example, being vegan or just fasting. So some of those could help and just improve our health in general. Then we have exercising, which, as I said, it's not only for our microbiota, but it also helps our cardiovascular health, our blood circulation, and also our immune system. And then we also have effective sleep patterns. But sleep also improves our health because we have a better mood, we have a more energy, and also it also has a bi-directional relationship with microbiota, as microbiota affects the sleep patterns and sleep patterns affect the microbiota. And finally, I also wanted to put in stress-related activities. For example, mindfulness-based cognitive therapy. We can also have just chatting with friends or just being with family. So all of them help and improve our microbiota if we do them in a regular basis. And this is also, or this is all of them just from research coming from scientific sources. So thank you very much.